Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nisa Latifah. I'm from the Informatics Study program with study number 243200328. Here I will present my assessment. I took the Lampor film The Describe. Let's just go straight to the first one. Lampor is an Indonesia film horror released in 2019. The film was directed by Guntur Sueharjanto and stars Dion Wiyoko and Andinia Wirasti. The film tells the story of a married couple who return to their hometown are haunted by a terrifying mystical entity known as Lampor or Flying Coffin the Brain's Dead. Edwin, his wife Neta, and two children decide to return to Neta's hometown in Temanggung after living in the city for a long time. However, their return was greeted with a tense atmosphere. The villagers were being terrorized by a mystical creature called Lampor, a terrifying figure that came with the sound of the strong winds of flying coffins. Tension rise and many feelings began to mysteriously disappear. Not only that, Uneta begins to see terrifying apparitions and her children almost become victims. Its return of the Lampor does not attack indiscriminately but has a connection to Neta family's dark past. Neta and Edwin begin to investigate the mystery and discover that Neta's father was once involved in the dark agreement that was the root of Lampor's curse. To stop Lampor, Neta must confront her children's trauma and her family's dark secret. She and Edwin try to break the curse by ending the legacy of sin left by her father. With core and scrap, they cut is stopping Lampor's terrors in saving their family and village from the destruction. Favorite quotes. Sometimes we can run away from the past, like it or not, we have to face it. Meaning, everyone has a past and we can't keep running away from it. There comes a time when have to have the courage to face the truth. This quote reflects the inner conflict of Neta, the main female character in the film. She realizes that there are parts of the past, especially those related to her family and her origins, that she has been avoiding. However, returning to her hometown brings all those secrets back to the surface. The next, why I like it, the film Lampor. The first one, the story is full of mystery and suspense. This film presents a tense and enigmatic storyline. From the beginning, the audience is made curious about what Lampor is, why the residents disappeared, and what it has to do with Neta past. The tension continues to insurances until the end, making the audience want to know what happens next. Second, it highlights local Indonesian mystical culture. Lampor raises the elements of Indonesian mystical culture, especially Javanese beliefs about supernatural beings and flying coffins. This makes film not only scary but also introduce the richness of local culture to the audience. Third, strong cinematography and visual effect. The film should really support the horror atmosphere. The desert village scenery, the cold sky, the flying coffin with sound and light effect, Made with strong and cinematic visually, the sound effect of the wind and the appearance of Lampard also success in enhancing the fear and tension. The four delivers a moral message about the past and core behind the horror elements. The film conveys a profound moral message. We cannot keep running from the past. We must dare to face old mistakes or trauma in order to protect the people we love and move on with our lives in the past. This is a poster from the film Lampard and a trailer for the film. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.